In this MS Excel tip, there is a typical class result sheet wherein minimum marks required for pass is 50. This excellent Excel tip will identify which student passed and who failed by a simple formula. This is very much useful when the number of students is more than 30 to 50. First, select the passed or failed column of all students, as shown in the screen. Right-click the mouse and select the item, Format Cells. A new window will open, where you need to select the last item, Custom. Against Custom, there is a space to type your command as marked in the screen. The command to be typed is, as shown in the end of screen. In the command, there is tick mark and cross mark. To get this symbol, press Windows key and press dot key. You can view an emoji and icon screen. You may go down and select the tick mark as shown in the screen and similarly select the cross mark also. Now you can view the list of students passed and failed. Try this in a class with 100 students, where it needs not even take 3 minutes to identify the full result. You can use this table for different purposes where you need to mark criteria like passed and failed. Here the screen is self-explanatory and highly interesting. This tip may be used for similar various purposes where the need is to measure the progress. Here the screen is self-explanatory and highly useful. This tip may be used for similar various purposes where you need to generate barcode of various products, etc. In case the particular font not available in your fonts directory, you may download the same from Google Fonts, as shown in the screen. You may follow the screen instructions and when it prompts you to save. Once the font got saved, you may use in the Excel spreadsheet. This MS Excel tip is useful for school, college or an enterprise's attendance. The screen displayed a typical attendance sheet for the month of December 2024 of an organization. First, insert the check box in a working day column, as displayed in screen. Then, copy the check box in all other working days columns as shown in screen. In the attendance percentage column, that is, in cell A6, type the formula as shown in the screen. The formula is equals COUNTIF and start the bracket and select column C6 to AG6, that is, the date 1st to 31st, put a comma and type true, and close the bracket. Then put a backslash and type counter and start the bracket and select the same C6 to AG6, then close the bracket. You can see 0% in the cell A86. The 0% is due to no attendance marked. Then copy down the cell A86 till AH18. Here for the first employee, you may go and click inside the square below the date to as attendance. Automatically the percentage of 1 day attendance got calculated. Then, mark attendance for all employees as per the sample or as per original attendance in the respective boxes. The percentages also gets calculated accordingly.
Please don't forget to subscribe.